Can you see the output, guys? It's a visible, right? The outputs. Next. Yeah, next can I write like this, guys? If I write, you understood, right? Yeah, next printf statement. Yeah, you know, right, what is slash n? Slash n means it generates the output in next line. Yeah, next printf. Printf within the printf. Now I am writing printf. See this. Now what is the output, guys? Now I have written welcome and hello, right? Yeah, tell me, guys, what is the output? Write this printf statement now. Yeah, all are saying hello and welcome. Only welcome. Ashwardha, Deepya. Hello and welcome. Okay. Same line or next line? Padmasri. Same lines. What is the use of slash and then? Yeah, guys. See, when you write printf within the printf, how these printf statements will be stored, right? In RAM, stack memory will be there, guys. Okay. This printf also will be stored in stack area. First printf statement will be stored here. First printf. What is the first printf, guys? Here it will be stored. Printf of slash and welcome. First printf statement in the first. Okay, what is second printf statement will be stored here. What is second printf statement? That is printf hello. Okay, na? Yeah, what is stack follows LIFO technique. LIFO, you know, right, guys? What is LIFO? Last in first out. LIFO technique, last in first out. Which one comes first? Whatever the topmost element is there, that one comes first. Now hello will be printed first. Next line welcome will be printed. Slash n means it moves the cursor to next line. Now what is total output? Hello and welcome in the next line. Okay, na? Yeah, guys. Run this. Only printf statements. Hello and welcome. Clear, guys? Are you following? Now output is hello and welcome. Completed, na? Next one, guys. If I write +3, now tell me, guys, what is the output now? Or 4. Welcome +3 or 4. Use 4. Write output for this. Second statement. Yeah, Raja Gayatri. First printf return int no to the second. Yeah, you are asking correct, but when it gives that value, first printf returns the value, but when it gives the value, I will tell you now. Yeah, what is the output now? We are not holding that value. Hello and OM. Same line or next line? Praneeth. Same line or next line? Next line. Yeah. Yeah, guys. See this first hello will be printed. No doubt in this, right? First this one will be printed. Hello will be printed. Next welcome will be printed. No doubt. First hello. Yes. Yeah. Printf of welcome +4. You know, guys, what is mean by 4? 4 means it takes from 0. Slash n is 0. W is 1. E is 2. 3 it is. 4 is nothing but a C at fourth place C location, right? Now we are saying plus 4. Okay, where is the cursor? After printing hello, cursor will be here only. Okay, it is printing from where? It is executing from plus 4. Plus 4 means, is it executing slash n? No guys, it's not executing slash n. Okay, now plus 4 means it is not executing slash n. That's why what is output? Hello and come will be printed in the same line, not in the next line. Hello and come. Hello come is the output. Okay, not in the next line. Yeah, run once. You can see the output. Hello come. Same line. Got it? Next one, guys. See. Completed? Huh? It is executing from plus and right. Plus 4, Rohit. Plus 4. Plus 4 means where it is executing. Plus 4 means it executes from C. Right? It executes from C. Come will be printed, guys. Yeah, next. See, guys. Next printf. Yeah, listen carefully. Yeah, integer I. You know, guys, what is integers? Already studied in the first year. Integer means normal numbers. I am trying to print. Listen, guys, don't try. Printf percentile d. I will print I. What is I value you are going to print? Your percentile I means I value will be printed. What is I value? I did not give anything. Then I value is a garbage value. Okay, I value is a garbage value. Once run, guys. If I run minus 28703, it's a garbage value, guys. Okay, now for example, if I write a slash n, okay, where it is printing in the first line, you can see, guys, this is the first line. You can see the output in the first line, right? Now I want slash n. If I write slash n, in the next line will be printed I equals to. If I write output is I equals to will be printed. Now see the output I equals to something. Okay, now my question is, if I write I equals to 10, what is the output now? If I write I equals to 10, then I value is how much, guys? Previously garbage, now I value is 10, right? Yeah, guys, now I value is 10. See this, I value is 10. Okay, now. Yeah, now what I want to write, guys. Now next one is, I'm not going to write I is 10. I'm not going to write I is 10. Printf of, I want to write this message, guys. I want to write welcome. Okay. Yeah, now write see entire program, guys. Now write this program and tell me the output, total output. Or if you know already this header files, start from main. Okay. If you don't know the header files, write the header files also. Write this program and tell me the output, guys. Welcome and one Aftab. Padmasri. Why I equals to 1? Tell me. Gayatri 7. Why it's 7? Welcome 7. Nilima. Why? 1007. What is 1007? Chandana. Venkat Shravani. What is true? Printf returns 7 as length of welcome is 7. Yeah, very good. Completed. First write a program. Printf statement is executed, so it returns boolean values 1. Printf, it won't return any boolean value. Padmasri, it returns what? Integer value it returns. It won't return boolean because int takes length as integer value. Yeah, good. Because integer is, because I is an integer, Do only stores. Oh, that is okay. Integer I is an integer. It stores integer numbers only. Yeah. Now tell me, guys, what is printf? You should know about printf function. Yeah. See, guys. Printf perform two tasks. Actual printf task is two. It perform two tasks. First task is what? It returns this. It prints the string. It prints the string. Second task is what? It returns the length of the string. Returns the length of the string. Okay. This is two tasks. Printf, it prints the string and it returns the length of the string. Two tasks. Okay. Now what happens, guys? Now, if I write, it prints the first printf. It prints welcome. Okay. What is the length, guys? 7 characters, right? 7 characters. Length means 7 character. That value assigns to printf returns the length. Returns means it gives. Okay. It produces. It produces 7. 7 value stored in what? I. I equals to what? 7. Not 8. Many of the students told 8. Length is how much, guys? 7 characters only, right? Don't include slash 0. Okay. Yeah, now see the output, guys. Welcome and I equals to 7. We can see the output. Got it? Next one. Next. If completed, tell me, guys, percentile welcome and one more percentile. Next one, this 100 comma 200. Now tell me this. I equals to, write these two lines or these three lines. Tell me the output, guys. Next one, continuation. Rameshri, 11 answer. 100. Surya. Nilima, once check your output. It's not correct. Yeah. Yeah, guys, what it prints now? Completed, huh? First, what it prints, guys? This printf prints 100 space. One space I have given, welcome space 200. 100 space, welcome space 200. Now, what is I value, guys? Length of this. Now, what is the length of this? 100 space. Now it prints 100 space, welcome space 200. Then 100 is 3 characters plus welcome is 7 characters plus 200 is 3 characters. Okay. Now plus 2 spaces also. Are you following, guys? 100 welcome 200 plus 2 spaces. Total is 100, 3 characters. 100 is 3 characters. Okay, no? 100 is 3 characters. Then answer is how much? 15. I think you understood, right? 100 welcome at 200. Why is 15, not 11? You understood, guys? How did you get that 15? Next one, guys. Yeah, now tell me, guys, what is the output now? Write this and tell me the output. Command I equals to 4. Yeah. You understood what it prints? That value only it takes. Now answer is what? See, command I equals to 4, guys. Okay. Next one. Next one. Completed. Next one, guys. Yeah, see this next one, guys. Now printf of writer. See. Now I am writing Bahubali. Right? See, printf of, yeah, right, Shivagami. Okay. Now guys, tell me the output for this. Yeah, first is Shivagami. Next. Yeah. My question is, what is I value? 17, no? Rameshri? It's not. Okay. 16. It's not. Yeah, guys. Now how this printf will be stored, right? See guys, how this printf will be stored. Already I told you, right? See this. This first printf will be stored like this. This is a first printf, guys. Here first printf will be stored. For first printf only I equals to something is there, right? Now I equals to printf of, yeah, what we have written here, slash and Bahubali, right? This is a first printf statement. Next printf statement in the stack, it will be stored like this. Second printf statement where it's stored with the pf, right? Pf equals to nothing but a printf, right? How it will store, that is Shivagami. Okay. Now which one will be executed? First Shivagami, no doubt in that. Next Bahubali. What is I value? Both length are only this length. It takes only this length only because that will be stored like this. Okay. What is I value, guys? Bahubali length. What is the Bahubali? 8 character. Slash and also is there. We should count 9. Bahubali 8 characters plus slash and 9. Total output is what, guys? Shivagami, right? How it prints? Shivagami, right? Yeah. Next one, Bahubali. Next line. Yeah, I equals Thomas 9. Clear, right? This is the output, guys. Understood, right? How it prints? Shivagami and Bahubali and I equals to 9. Once run this, yeah, you can see the output. Not 8, 9. Shivashankar Varaprasad. Okay. Yeah, Arshwardhan, nothing Arshwardhan. First, this one will be printed. Shivagami will be printed. Okay. Next, Bahubali will be printed. But what is the I value? I value takes first printf length. That's all. First printf length only. I value I stores first printf length only, not two printfs. Okay. Now Shivagami and Bahubali. Next line I value. I value is 9 because of length of this first printf statement. Next one, guys. Yeah. Next printf. Next one. Okay. Na? Same statement, but I will change the characters, right? See this. Now cut up a space percentile. I am adding one more, right? One more character. See this. Printf of, right, Siddhappa. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now write this and tell me the output, guys. Write selected area. You can understand, right? Yeah. Yeah. My question is, what is that percentile? That is my question. It's a garbage value, Satish. Meghana, 8, huh? Which one? Which one is I? I value is 11, huh? Sai Shweta, Siddhappa, Kattappa, space, wait. Very good, Sai Shweta. Neeraja, 18. What is the 18? Neeraja. Total length, huh? I am asking output. First Siddhappa will be printed, okay? Next Kattappa. What is that percentile after percentile? I value. Okay, we check it. Yeah, see guys, first what it prints. First Siddhappa will be printed, guys. No doubt in this. Right? Next Kattappa will be printed. Here also no doubt. My question is, what is this percentile? Percentile means, you know guys, for example, if there is nothing here, for example, here instead of this is not there, assume this is not there. Okay, for example, here we have 100. What is the percentile value? Percentile value is 100, right? Kattappa space 100. Kattappa space 100, because percentile value means whatever the value besides exists, that value it takes. That is 100 it takes. For example, there is nothing here. What is this percentile? Nothing means the printf is there. Well, it takes printf value. What is printf value, guys? Printf returns the length of the string. What is the length of the string here? Siddhappa length. What is the Siddhappa length? 8 will be taken. Kattappa space 8. Total output is what, guys? Now Siddhappa will be printed first. Siddhappa, right? In next line, are you following? Next line, Kattappa space 8. Why it is a 8, guys? Why it is 8? Length of this. Now my question is, I value is how much? Length of only first printf, I told you, right? Slash n is 1. Kattappa. Kattappa is 8 characters. Kattappa is 8 plus space is 1. Slash n is 1 plus percentile. What is the percentile? 8 is 1 again. Okay, 8 plus 3, 11. I is 11, guys. You understood why I got I is 11. Okay, see, once I will show you total output. Siddhappa and Kattappa space 8 and I equals to 11. Not 18. Charan, it's not. Kattappa 8 is, Siddhappa 8 is 8. Okay, na? Completed, guys. How we got this output? Completed, guys. Okay, next one. Yeah, next one you have to tell the answer, guys. Yeah, slash n 1 space percentile printf of slash n 2 space percentile d printf of 3. Yeah guys, tell me, write and tell me this answer. What is the output? Screen is not visible. Okay now. Yeah, now tell me the output guys. Yeah, you have to tell answer. Percentile d. I equals to slash n percentile d 1 space percentile d 2 space percentile d printf of 3. Yeah guys, tell me the answers. Yeah, 3 2 space 5. Yeah, 1 space 6 I equals to 6. Yes Meghana, very good. Shivashankar word person. 3 2 space 3. How did you get this value? 2 space 3. Harprasad. One check your output. Harprasad. Pragati. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yes. We check the output guys. See once. First this one will be printed. Okay. First this one will be printed. Right. This is the first statement will be executed. Second is this. Yeah. Third is this. Right. Yeah. Now what is the first statement will be printed? 3, right? 3. Next 2 space this statement. 2 space percentile d. What is the percentile d? Length of this. What is the length of this? It's a 5. Now what is this value? 1 space 1 space percentile means what is the percentile length of this? What is the length of this guys? These are 5 characters, slash n is there, right? 6. We can count as 6. Now I value is how much? I value is the first printf length. What is the first printf length? 1 space 6. That is 5 characters and slash n 6. This is the output guys. 3 in next line 2 space 5, 1 space 6 and I equals to 6. Now we can see the output guys. Now see the output. Okay na? Guys, you can check the output. 3, 2 space 5, 1 space 6 and I equals to 6. Next one. I is not 15. Charan.